Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am featuring another quick and easy card, and today I want to be showing you more about this set that is called Hold On to Hope. I think that this is perfect in preparation for like Easter time and also for other occasions, but I think that Easter is around the corner and so we all need to get ready for this. So this one in particular, I'll be using the cross, and I'll be using the stamp set with the little flowers. And I have already die cut everything here. As you can see, my paper is my card base is 5.5 by 8.5, and this one is powder pink. I had a piece of whisper white, and this one is 4 1/4. Sorry, it's 4 by 5 1/4, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have this little piece, and which is going to be my focal point, and this one is 2 1/4 by 4. So this will go here in the center. The other thing is, as far as colors, this time I'm deciding to use the powder pink for the cross, and then maybe do the flowers in a little bit darker color, which is the blushing bright. And so we'll see how that goes. As always, I have the idea in my head, but I have not really done the card. So you know me, I think that that's how I roll nowadays. So anyway, so I'm going to be folding this in half using my bone folder, so I have a crisp fold. And by the way, before I forget, anyone placing online orders with me using this hostess code will get a card pack in the mail. So the orders are in March, and I will be sending them in April, and it will be a card pack to make for 4 cards. It will have everything except the stamping. You will have to provide the stamps, but either way, you can substitute if you don't have the specific stamp that I'm using. And also I'll send a PDF with instructions or a video, so I'll have to figure out what I think might work better. So just bear with me, but you'll get either a PDF or a video to make all 4 cards. So anyway, so don't forget about that. So now I'm going to be gluing these using, you know what? No, yes. Using the fast fuse. And for a minute I wanted to see if maybe I wanted this side, but since this part is white, I think it will be better showing more of the powder pink. And by the way, this is a design series paper that comes on the pack for the in color, which is the Fresh Florals design series paper, and this is the one that comes with all the in colors for 2017-2019. So don't forget about that one. So here is, we're gonna be gluing this one now down. Oh, a little bit of the glue got outside, so I'm just making sure it's all there. And here we go. Now let's do the stamping here, and I'm gonna be using a scrap of paper because, yes, you can still see it, because I want to use the powder pink, and I don't know if I want to stamp off. Let me just do that. If I stamp off and then stamp it here and see how that goes, because I want a really light color, because I want to put on top all the flowers. Oh yes. So you see, you have had some see, so you can still see it. So I did a stamp off, and then I'm gonna be using, and this is where I don't know, so just bear with me, because I want to put these flowers, but I don't want to get these this section. So let me just Well, yes, let's just do it like so. There we go. Yes, I think I like it that way. Yes. Alright, yes, and I think that's good. So you can see a darker image there using the powder pink. And now for the wording, that's where I want a darker shade of the pink. And I'm using the Blushing Bright, like I said, and I'm going to be putting the Hold On to Hope, which I think is a great sentiment. So let's just see. Oh yes. So here it is. Okay. So now putting everything together, this one will go here. And that's about it. Like I said, this was going to be a really quick and easy one. Now for this one, of course, I want to use dimensionals. And I have here my sheet of dimensionals. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. And it will be here. And I think, you know what, it will be really nice if I add maybe some pearls, you know. I think that will be a really nice touch. So I have here some pearls that will be picking up. Oh, maybe I do. I think this one is too big, so I'll go with the little ones. Oh yes, that looks much better. And I'll show it to you in a second so that you can see the close-up. I think I need one more here. Wow, yes, I like it. You can see it here. I love it. So this is going to be the card for today. Hope you have enjoyed. Like I said, this is going to be a quick and easy card. If you like my video, do subscribe to my video channel. I'm trying to post frequently there. Also, do look into my blog for all the instructions, as well as the list of the products that I use here. This will be on my blog at creatingwithali.com, as well as the description of this video. Don't forget about my incentive ordering too. Again, for the month of March 2018. Use this host code. Now, if you're watching this and it's already a different month, go to my blog, creatingwithali.com, and there is a tab for the ordering incentive where you can get the newest hostess code. So anyway, hopefully you have enjoyed. Leave me a comment if you like it, and see you soon. Thank you.